I have taken a variable a of integer type, accepted a number of integer type in the variable a, and also specified the user that the user should give values between 1 to 7, and passes the a to the switch. So now what the switch is going to do, switch will compare the value present in a with the constants given with the cases. Any value of a, if matches with any case, it will execute the statement given with that case, and then it will come out of the loop. However, I have written everything correct at correct places. Still, this program is not going to give the correct output. So it is giving, I am giving a value greater than 7, it is printing choose correct option. If I am giving a value less than 1, it will give choose correct option. It will work for the values from 1 to 7 only. If I will give 7, it will print Saturday. But if I will give 6, it will print Friday and Saturday. When I will give 5, it will print Thursday, Friday and Saturday. With 4, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. With 3, of course, from Tuesday to Saturday. With 2, from Monday to Saturday. And with 1, from Sunday to Saturday. So what is happening here? Generally switch does what? If you have written switch like this, आपने अगर switch इस तरीके से लिखा है, तो वो क्या करता है? जिस भी केस का कांस्टेंट मैच कर जाए स्विच के वेरिएबल के साथ, वो उसके स्टेटमेंट को तो एग्जीक्यूट करता है, उसके नीचे के सभी स्टेटमेंट्स को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. और इसलिए जब आप 1 डाल रहे थे तो वो संडे से सैटरडे तक प्रिंट कर रहा था. जब 2 डाल रहे थे तो डिफॉल्ट नहीं करता, चूज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ठीक है, तो अब आपको क्या करना है? यस, आपको मैंने एक स्टेटमेंट बताया था, ब्रेक विच इज यूज्ड टू टर्मिनेट लूप्स, इट इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू टर्मिनेट स्विच. तो हर केस के बाद वी विल प्रोवाइड अ ब्रेक. We need not to provide it after default because default के बाद तो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं है. डिफॉल्ट के बाद तो वो वैसे भी स्विच से बाहर आएगा. So the switch is working according to your need. Any problem? Is it clear to you all? Okay.